Hey guys, and welcome back to the Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can favorite items from the VN Editor. On the VN Editor app. You can favorite stocks, templates, filters, music, etc. I'm just going to show you how you can favorite filters for today. So select filters, and then you are just going to press the star next to the filters you want to favorite, and you're going to find it in your favorites tab. You can also do that for music, so select a music like vlog, and then again you are just going to press the star next to it and it will be in your favorites folder. And that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!